Hello guys and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I want to show you how to stake your cryptocurrency on Revolut. What is staking? Staking is option to earn money on your cryptocurrency. You give your cryptocurrency, Revolut making some investments and you get some percent of this investment. It's a very basic explanation how it's working. So from the top menu, choose option crypto. From list crypto, what do you have? Push on the crypto. In my case, will be Polkadot. And like you see, we have button stake. Here we have some explanations. So Polkadot staking dot, and this is 11, almost 12%, but this is percent per year. And staking information, earn up to 12%. The rewards varies based on the network condition and isn't guaranteed. Rewards paid daily. After a 2 days waiting period, reward timing varies based on the network condition. So you will be get from Revolut your rewards paid daily. Rewards restake automatically. Your rewards will be automatically restaked to increase your earnings. Locked for the 29 days after unstaking. Once unstaked, you need to wait 29 days before you can access to balance. You won't be able to sell your locked balance even if you lose value, capital at risk. So this is information about staking. You can earn, like you see, some percents. If you're ready to take this risk, you can push button continue. You can type how many cryptocurrency you want to stake. You can of course push on the available balance, so you can stake everything what do you have and push button confirm. Read this, and if you agree, push button yes continue, and we start process to stake Polkadot or cryptocurrency at Revolut platform. If you have any questions about this topic, post the question below this video.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.